Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I just wanted to show you how to remove the front cover on an initial install. Now, a lot of the videos that are out there will show you how to remove the cover when it's already installed into your wall or wherever you have it. But in this video is a little bit different because I just pulled it out of the box and I wanted to show you how to open it. Now, what I had to do, now I actually do this two different times, is I actually will have to pinch the back. There's like a little metal thing that it's black. I had to put my fingers in between there and pull. So the directions will tell you to just pull forward. You can see here, and I'll actually slow this down so that you can see a little bit easier. But I put my fingers, my fingers between the black and the metal and the gray or the silver there, and then that's when I pull out, and then you can see there it actually comes flying out. But for the most part, it's really simple. As you can see there, it's just a little bit tricky in the very beginning, but once you get it open the first time, it's much easier.